Capital One Spark Unlimited Select Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're a business owner looking for a simple way to earn rewards on every purchase, the Capital One Spark Unlimited Select card is worth a close look. Most people get this wrong. They think unlimited rewards cards always come with high fees, but the surprising truth is this card offers straightforward rewards with no annual fee. The card earns 1x miles on every purchase every day. For example, if your business spends €0 a year on everyday expenses, you'll earn 30 miles, enough for a domestic flight or a hotel stay. Unlike many cards with rotating categories, you never have to track spending bonuses. Additional perks include no foreign transaction fees, travel and purchase protections, and access to Capital One's expense management tools. Employee cards are available at no extra cost, which helps maximize rewards across your team's spending. There's no limit on how many miles you can earn, and miles can be redeemed for travel, statement credits, or even transferred to partner loyalty programs for added value. In conclusion, the Capital One Spark Unlimited Select card is an excellent choice for small to medium-sized businesses seeking simple, reliable rewards without paying an annual fee. By using it consistently for everyday business purchases, your rewards can grow quickly, giving you real value that offsets other business costs. This card proves that you don't need a high premium card to earn meaningful rewards.